In today's video, I am sharing with you all who gifted patterns to me, along with the reveal of the patterns are. In addition, I am sharing my fabric haul. Welcome to my channel, Denise the Sloth Stylist. It's your girl, Denise. If you're new, welcome. If you're a returning viewer, welcome back. This is your first time clicking on my video. You haven't already done so. I hope that you consider subscribing to my channel if you like any and everything about sewing. I'm talking about hauls, thrift hauls, pattern hauls, fabric hauls, me-made reveals, any and everything that I have working on within my sewing/craft room. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you do not miss any of my sewing content, pattern and fabric sales announcement that I share here on my channel. Thank you all so much for liking, sharing, commenting, and returning once again to watch another video with your girl Denise and subscribing. I truly appreciate each and every one. In today's video, I am sharing with you all who gifted patterns to me, along with the reveal of the patterns are. In addition, I am sharing my fabric haul. Now this is a variety of fabric haul. I purchased the first ones from Habitat for Humanity Restore. Then the second one that you will see will also be from Habitat for Humanity Restore. And I also have fabric, everybody, from Walmart. Then I have some fabric that I have on my table from my stash that I have paired with, correction, not I, that my youngest son, Tyson, has paired with fabric. He has matched patterns with fabric for me, so to kind of give me an idea of a schedule. I'm not saying really like a schedule, but to give me something to go by, sewing plans, to help me develop my sewing plans on what I need, what I would like to make next, and just continue that process so I can knock out one sewing project after another. All right, let's go ahead and get into this haul. First, we're going to start with the thrifted/gifted sewing patterns. Then I'll head into the fabric and the pairing of patterns with it. Let's go. All right, up first, I'm starting off with these gifted, thrifted patterns. Now, can anybody guess, before I say, where these patterns came from? If you watched your channel, you will know. If not, you're about to learn now. Well, everyone, these sewing patterns were gifted to me from one of my amazing sister-in-laws, Kesha the Stylist, here on YouTube. If you like thrifted secondhand fashion taken to another level, go ahead and head over to her YouTube channel and subscribe to her channel. Check out her content and also check out our collaboration that we did. I'll share the video of our collaboration. I'll share the thumbnail of our collaboration here. In addition, in the description box, I will leave the link to our collaboration video. So once you check out mine, head over to my sister-in-law channel, check out her version, and subscribe. Let's get into it, because y'all know I get off topic to those who didn't get to the beginning. She found 3 patterns for me. 3 of them, everybody. Here we go. The first one that my sister Kesha the Stylist found for me, it is titled, it is so easy, it's simplicity, $91.79. It's an extra small to extra large. It is a Mrs. skirt, capri pants, and knit tank top, everybody. It's a Mrs. skirt, capri pants, and Mrs. tank top. So let me get my little readers on so I can make it through here. So with that said and done, it does require knit. So this is a knit fabric. This is a knit pattern. So if you have any knits in your stash, this is what you would use for that as well. Now be aware, y'all, these are not my glasses. I have contacts on today, but your girl need a little extra, more strength. So I have to put readers whenever I'm reading. Unless I'm wearing my glasses, I don't need readers. I can just use my glasses. All right, here we go. So let's see. It's Mrs. Skirt, capri pants, and tank top. Fabrics for views A and B. Let me show you the line art. So here's the tank top. Here's the skirt. Here are the capri pants. So fabric suggestions are for views A and B. Would be the skirt and pants. They are gauze, laundry cottons, boutiques, lightweight denim. Those are just to name a few. So once again, it's simplicity, $91.79. Beautiful pattern. I absolutely love it. Looking forward to making it. Next up is McCall's 8458. It's a 3-hour separate sewing pattern. How cute is this? I absolutely like it, y'all. It's very interesting. I will show you the line art, but there's no line art for it. And yes, I have my ring light in the back to kind of help balance some of this light out, keep my video hopefully from flickering. I like it. I like it a lot. I can see myself making view A. But you know, I got to start early because I am Denise the Sloth Sewist. So once again, this is McCall's 8458. Last but not least, the final pattern in my pattern haul, gifted to me by Kesha the Stylist here on YouTube. It is ladies and men's tank top, pattern number 1100. It is a stretch. It's a stretch and sew. Love it. It's called stretch and sew. It is tank tops for men and women, so it's unisex pattern, which I absolutely love. I have some interfacing already in here that someone was tracing. Tracing, so I have that. And I think that's pretty nice to have. All right. Sorry, I got a message on my phone. That's why I paused. Up next, thank you, Sister Law, for these beautiful patterns. So much, Sister Law, for those sewing patterns. All right, everybody, let's get into my fabric haul and the patterns that my youngest son Tyson has matched with each fabric. Let's get started. Okay, up first, I'm going to tell you all how much I spent on the fabric, in addition to what's all included, and what pattern has been paired with it. First, I'm going to start with my next sewing mate. It is Simplicity 3128. It is a Mimi G, rated as easy to sew. I plan on making view A. View A, what Mimi G is wearing, what the model is wearing here, view A, the shorter version. Here's the line art. Let me show you the pattern. Let me show you how much. First, let me tell you how much I spent on the fabric. Then show you all the fabric. Here we go. I spent the total of $8 on this fabric. $8 on this gorgeous fabric. Give you a little close up. $8 at my local Goodwill. I purchased one fitted sheet, one flat sheet for $6. And 2 pillowcases are in here. $1 a piece, so $2 for that. I'm using Simplicity Simplicity 3128 view A. This is estimated a little bit over probably 13 yards, just about guessing on that. So let me show you all. I start off with the pillowcase. So I have two of these beautiful pillowcases. Next, so this is the second one. So beautiful, beautiful, beautiful print on this fabric. Very gorgeous. So give you that. Oh, these are twin sheets, by the way. I'm going to tell everybody. These are twin bed sheets. So this is the flat sheet. Lot of it. If you can see, a lot of fabric. A whole lot of it. This is the flat sheet. This is the twin fitted sheet. So I have enough fabric to work with. I can make Mimi G. Once again, Simplicity 3128 view A with no problems, because view A actually only requires about 2 1/4 in fabric or 1 7/8 in fabric, so more than enough. Up, it is McCall's 8610. This is one of my amazing Mother's Day gifts. My oldest son got me a book that I got, a little LED book light, because I love to read physical books, y'all. That's what I'm currently on now. I'm trying to read like 50 books for this year. Not halfway there, but I'm doing pretty good. Here we go. This is McCall's 8610. My youngest son purchased this pattern for me for Mother's Day. And so he gave me this idea. He said, Mom, why don't you make view D what the model is wearing? He said, Mom, why don't you make this? And I said, okay, that's view D. And he said, Mom, let's pair that with this beautiful thrifted fabric. Now, this fabric was purchased from Habitat for Humanity Restore. It is 2 fitted sheets, 1 flat sheet. So let me show you what it is. So pretty, absolutely gorgeous, nice and summery, springish. So I'm hoping to get this done. I'll be pairing this with fabric from my stash, another flat sheet that I had in my stash. So this is what I'll be alternating for. It'll be 1 panel of this, 1 panel of that. Then it continues alternating throughout until I have view D. Those are my plans. All right, next up. So once again, that's McCall's 8610. I'm planning on making view D. Here's the line art. And you can see view D is the contrast one. contrast fabric. Next is some more fabric. It is my Walmart haul. This is a bundle that I could not pass up. It is knit. It is 4 yards for $6. So it's 4 yards knit fabric for $6. I do not currently have it paired with the pattern because I'm not sure of which pattern I want to use for this beautiful fabric, but it does have stretch because once again it is a knit. So not sure yet. I'm gonna have to look at some of my knit patterns and see what will go well with this beautiful color. That is more thrifted fabric. I only spent $8 on this thrifted fabric. It's a flat sheet, fitted sheet, and 2 pillowcases. Look at the beautiful colors. Do I know do I have a pattern match to that? No, because I'm not sure of what I want to use this beautiful fabric. What I want to make this beautiful fabric into. So once again, spend $8. Next. Oh, now these are 2 fabrics from my stash. So here we go. I'm gonna show you all what I want to do for myself first. Then we'll go. The next one up is McCall's 8117. Interested in making view B. Since it's warm, I will do the off the shoulder top, asymmetrical top, but I will make it instead of long sleeve, it will be short sleeve. And it's McCall's 8117, rated as easy to sew. Here is the line art. In addition, I'll be using this beautiful white fabric that I purchased from Walmart several years ago. So I'll make this happen. And then it's a mixture of Walmart fabric and Joann's fabric, y'all. So I'm going to have, I'm going to say a 2-in-1 location of fabric. Walmart and Joann's to make view B, as in boy, what the model is wearing, and make it short sleeve. So I can wear it during the summer. Last but not least, it is Simplicity $99.59. This is one that my son chose for his dad. He wants his mama to make dad a pair of pants. Let me show you which one. Simplicity $99.59. He wants me to make these for him. He wants me to make view B. Now, when I do make this will be the first time I've ever made my husband something. Sewn my husband something. So, got to get his measurements. It'd be like a little surprise for him. Now, you said, Denisha, talk about the pattern. What you pairing it with, girl? This is the fabric I'm pairing it with. It's 100% cotton that I purchased months back from Walmart. It was on clearance for only $1. Beautiful color. I think that looked really nice. And look really nice with view B as in boy. All right, everybody. That is I hope that you all have enjoyed my gifted. Thank you, Sister Lakeisha, once again for my sewing patterns. Looking forward to using them. In addition, thank you all so much for watching my sewing and my fabric haul along with the matches, along with what I plan to make with each fabric. My motto is keep trying until you get it right. Denise the Sloth Sewers. Hope that you all have an amazing day, night, weekend, whatever time you're watching my video. I will see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.